Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 3 chloropyridine is given. You are reacting with sodamide and liquid ammonia. You have to find the final product. By looking at the reaction, the chlorine is leaving group and you might think of Benzyne reaction. The Benzyne mechanism form and dictate the product. The first step of the product is anion formation. Here the chlorine is a leaving group, but there is a 2 hydrogen which can leave from the A hydrogen and B hydrogen. A hydrogen cannot be removed because lone pair and electron repulsion is stronger, so it won't form. Mere electronic repulsion won't allow it to form. The major product is the anion formed at the 4th position, so the chlorine leaves, you have benzene. Again the 2 possibility where the amine will form. It forms 3rd and 4th position because it has equal possibility, don't have any stabilizing factors. Here the concept you have to learn here is always anion formed away from the lone pair of electron because of the electronic repulsion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.